I choose computer science mainly because I really enjoyed subjects like maths and IT and design and things like that. The learning that I got from the University of Sheffield was really fantastic. The department was brilliant. It didn't matter that I came in with no coding experience previously. I was able to just get up to speed and start learning really new stuff. And that actually led me to applying for an internship here at Microsoft, and then finally came back in as a graduate, which has been fantastic. My current role at Microsoft is a Technical Evangelist. Interesting name, not many people outside the technology industry know what it means. So I work in a department called Developer Experience. So I work with developers and organisations to envision and inspire them to build with some of the latest technologies and solve some of their problems, improve some of their solutions. As part of that, that's very high level, I tend to do things like attend events and speak to lots of developers and businesses. We also host events as well as producing online content that people can learn from. And also do things like hackathons, so building with people and helping them envision new ideas. The advice I give people coming into industry is not to forget that actually learning is continuous. I learnt a lot when I was in academia. I learnt the theory, the understanding, the basics, but actually whilst I've come into industry, my sort of run rate of learning has increased exponentially. I've learnt so much whilst being here. But also I kind of want to portray that you come into an industry with sort of an outsider's perspective, almost with the customer's perspective. So do go into industries and kind of shake it up a little bit and ask those tricky questions, ask why we do things. The highlight of my career so far, that's a tricky question. I think the overall theme is inspiring people to get as excited as I am about new technology and start learning and building it. That's everything from teaching kids to code with the BBC Microbit and just seeing that amazement when they first write a line of code, to going to events and being able to produce something really well and travelling across the world to do different events. Been to Belgium, went across to our headquarters and did filming for the data science degree programme, just offering that expertise, that insight, and being able to inspire people to be as excited as I am. The best thing about being an engineer, I used to think it was the nitty-gritty, the detail in the code, solving those hard problems. I still think it is that's still part of it, but actually being an engineer, you can be really creative, you can think up new ideas, you can build things that haven't been built before, and you can also do it to change people's lives. You can change the way we do things now for the better.